Hello. Hello. Can we start class?
Sir,
Okay. Only 2% coming to last class. Any
start,
doubt?
sir.
Hai?
Then start.
No doubts. Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So today we discuss first polyline. Okay. So polyline and line, something like using method same है. You see, polyline. So what is difference between line and polyline must understand first. So if you make something lines, that is only segment coming. Okay. So you can select one by one. But if you make something polyline, so this is connected coming. This way, you want time coming. Okay. So this is simple difference line and polyline. Now line nothing property contain. Only here only length hai. But in this polyline, this is contain more properties. Means we can apply here thickness, we can make here arc, we can make arrow, we can make pipeline. So how to use polyline first? PL enter. After that, give the start point. So if you want to give here thickness, means if you want to make thin line, so here see half width and width, two type option hai. So suppose if you want to make 100 thickness line, so you if you select half width, so you put value only 50. So 50 type means 100 coming. And if you want to directly 100 give, so we can select here 100 means the width option. So width purpose we press W and enter. Now you type start with. Start with suppose I type 50, enter. Now end with type. Same type. So this way means this way thickness line coming with polyline. So one time if you apply thickness properties, so that time next time again same thickness coming this way. If you want to close this one, so just same line option C press C type enter. This way that is closed. PL enter. Give the start, give the next point. Now I want to change thickness. So you again press W, enter, type new thickness, suppose 100, end thickness, same if you want 100 again. So this way thickness will be. If you want to again change width, so again type W, enter. Next width 60, next width 60. Okay. So if you want to again change width, again type W, enter. So type here new width 150 and new width. If you want to taper type, so you can type here different dia. So here type 50 means this way. So start with 150 end with different type. So this way we can make taper reducer we can show. If you want to arrow making, so arrow means just you press again W. So W I type here 150 start with end with I want to put 0. So that way arrow coming. So you see with the help of polyline we can create continuous digital geometry. Understand? Now here polyline take, just make here W enter, type here 50, 50, start and in, two times you put value. Now here click, and here click, and here click, and here click. I want to exit command, so press escape. When you select this polyline, you see here property visual global width. So you want to change this width, so you type here only type new value. So this way can width change. So if you want to close this figure, so you can play yes, so that is closed. If no close, so no. Okay. Now you see when I select this object, here midpoint, here end point, and here end point hai. So if you cursor take midpoint, so here three options showing: stretch, add vertex, convert to all. If you select here stretch option and click here, so this means you can stretch this line this way, this way. Okay. If you click on add vertex option, that means here line divided in two parts. If this one need convert in arc, so here select convert to arc. So that means this is arc converted. If you again have cursor hold here, so convert to line. Again convert to line option is, so that is line convert. So this is additional properties in polyline. Now select here polyline. I want to make here line. Suppose you want to make this type arc here. So just you press here arc option. We can press A enter. So A press means arc coming. Now again make line. So again L enter. So that is line coming. Again line. I want to again arc. So you press A enter. Okay. This way. Again line. So L enter. This way. This way. If you want to close figure, so just C enter. So this is polyline object here. So means polyline we can use if you want normal line, thickness coming normal. So just start you and one time press W enter, type 0, 0. So 0, 0 means that is no thickness content. Okay. So this is looking like line command. But if you select the one time selected means that is polyline. Is polyline है, so we can use here thickness property this way. Anytime we can change. So if you want to close figure, so just here press yes. So that is end and start automatically connected. Okay. Now polyline edit understand. So here polyline है and here inside edit polyline option. So that is shortcut है PE enter. Suppose you have made this one, this line you want to convert in polyline. When I select this line, you see thickness no coming, only length showing. I want to apply a thickness. So if you want to apply thickness, so you have to convert this one in polyline. So process is PE enter. After that you select this one, and when you select, so here E asking you want to convert, so you press Y and enter. So when Y enter press, here more option come. So here single line have, so we cannot close option use, join cannot use, and here width only we can use in this situation. So you if you want to change width, so just press W enter, type width value. So here we give only single value, so that is apply. Again want to change, W enter and type here 100 150. So this way thickness can change. Okay. So if you want to exit the command, so you can press escape. That is single line diagram converted to line. So if we have multiple line, okay, so we have this is line, this is line, this is line. So this is line object. I want to convert in full polyline. So that means we select the join command. Okay, so here I have join command, and that join command we can select from modify, and here I have join. Shortcut have J enter. J enter. You select all connected sketch and just press enter. So one time interface means that is converted in polyline. So polyline converted means here you can see property thickness coming global width. So means this one selected and we can change here width option. Okay. Again selected, we can change here new width. So this is polyline. Again here go convert to R, so we can convert R. Now more properties understanding polylineity. So you create a polyline. So I make here one polyline. W enter, press 150 enter, 150 enter. And this is one polyline object. Now next step, again I create this way, this way, and this way, this way. Okay. Now next I make here polyline. Just click here, click here, click here, click here. Now see, this is one object, this is two object. So here two polyline object here. These two polyline object I want to join. So you press PE enter. After that select any polyline, this one or this one, any select, and just you see a join option here. So join and select. After that second polyline selected and press enter. So that means these two polyline join. If you want to exit, so escape press. You see here that is connected. So PE enter and select polyline 1 and J enter. After that this one second polyline selected. So that is join possible if you making connected. Okay, if gap have, so cannot join. That means if this type connected have, both line in connected है, so that one can join, otherwise no can join. So PE enter, select first polyline. After that join, so J enter, after that second polyline and enter. So this way can join. Okay. Now this is I want to convert in R. This curve convert. So PE enter, just select this polyline and here see spline head. Just you can press yes enter. Yes enter press means that is converted in arc. Curve type converted. So if you want to again make line type, so just you can press D curve. Otherwise you can press D enter. Okay. So next one here have spline. So spline two type have. One is spline fit and another is spline CB, control vertex. So spline software type SPL enter. Now give the first point. So spline using means you deactivate ortho mode. So ortho mode activate means we can go horizontal and vertical, but spline is curve. So curve means manually draw this way, this way, so this way and this way and this way. Okay. So if you want to exit, so you press enter, not escape. So you see this means spline starting point this side and this symbol means starting point this side. Okay. So if you want to change the starting side this side for me, so same PE enter, just select and press Y enter. Again you see reverse option here, so you can reverse and enter. That is converted in, that is curve, that is curve first coming and that is converted in line type polyline. So if you select here spline again, okay, spline, so that is curve. So can select smooth hair. So when you want to convert in polylines, what you do? PE, select polyline and just press Y enter. That polyline, this spline, how many segment you want to line in line. Okay. So if you want to much smoothness coming means we put more segment. Suppose if you want to 10, so 10 segment downside. If you want to more smoothness, so you can put here 25, 23, 23. If you want to put here 5 only, so that is 5 line coming, 5 segment. And if you want to change reverse, so you can change the reverse. After this escape, you see here, that is 5 segment. This way, 5 segment. Next polyline is what option. So here PE enter, just select. If you want to close this one, so you can press C enter. Just C press means that is closed. If you want to open again, so you can press O enter. Okay. So if you want to spline, so here's enter. If you want to fit, so you can press F enter. So that is fit coming. Something smooth is coming. So if you want to again decur, so you can press D enter. That is starting coming. So this is polyline properties here. So these polyline where used if you are a civil engineer, if you are mechanical engineers, then you have to show polyline pipeline. Okay. So if you want to show pipeline, fire pipeline, sprinkler pipeline, so that area which we can use this one. So which way? PL enter. Suppose I want to start 250 dia pipe. Okay. So just give a start point and type here W enter. Just type start with end with 250 to 50 cm. Now do it. Suppose this length go. And here I want to make arc. So just you press A enter. And the same. Something give space. Okay. So here only possible have this type. If you ortho make, so ortho means this type elbow can make. Okay. This type elbow can make. Now go straight, so again L press and ortho activated this way. And if you want to reducer means 250 dia to convert into 150. So 250 dia I want to attach 150 dia pipe. So just press W enter again and the reducer size I put here 266. 260 enter and here 160. So this way can reducer. After that, pipeline again, W enter, 150 enter, 150 enter. That means this way pipeline coming. So if you want to again arc make, so just press here ortho mode activated and press over A enter. So A enter means you can manually take this way. Okay, this way. After that, L enter, just give this direction. After that, again A, so R coming this way. Again L this way. So ortho activated, control plus L. If you want to change the resolution, means 100 type pipe. So again press W enter, type 150, otherwise 160 something big, and here type 110 this way. Now again W enter, type here 100, 100. Okay, understand now? All you understand? Okay. This is very useful command hai. So if you are working in industry mechanical engineer, na, just like ducting, fire pipe, water pipeline, sewage line, so that one there is this command used. Now explain here arc option. Okay, here more type hai, but nothing important here. So first is 3 point arc. 3 point arc means you have to do 3 point different locations. So first point give, so ortho activated have, so second point give, and here give third point. So which area this one is? Suppose you have to this rectangle have, okay, and you want to make here arc this way. So just select here 3 point option. Give the first point here, give the midpoint here, and give the third point here. Okay. Next option is start center end. Start center end means I want to make here half circle. So it you option use start center end. So here give first start and center we give this line midpoint. So this is midpoint. Now we give end here. Next option है start center angle. So start center angle means you give say start point and you give center point. Suppose here give center point. Now here start point, how many degree you want to make arc. If you type here 100 mm, 100 degree, so 100 making. If you type 45, so I mean 45 degree arc making. Okay, that means if you have this type line, control here, again one line making, control here, this type I'm making. I want to create here arc. So this option now, start center angle. So start, oh, you give here, start this side, center give here, and angle. Angle if you know, so can type, otherwise manually click this. Yeah. Next option, start center length. You see symbol, this one I want to length type. Means whatever curve length. If you make that one straight, so whatever length coming, that one we need to type. This option not using, just give a start and give the center. After this arc length, how much need? So if you type here 50, so that is 50. 50 means if you make that one straight, so that length coming only 50. Okay. So if you want to check this length you want to check, so just here go dimension and here have arc length. Just select and this length. You see this way we can change. So that is 1127. Okay. So same I want to make here. Start point give here, center give here, and that one type here. Suppose you type 1000. That is 1000. So you want to check dimension, draw dimension go, arc length option take here. That's what click this. You see. So exact this is not coming into. So we press D enter, something dimension size edit, modify, text. Here we type 5, set current. Close. Next option here is start end angle. Start end angle means here give first, here give end. Now angle how much need? Suppose you type 45. So this 45 what have? Center here have. So if you connect this line and this line, so here angle making 45. Okay. So that is start end angle. Same. Start end angle. Start give here, end give here, but angle type 90 degree. This way. Okay. That means this arc center here have. Here to here means here 90 degree making. So if you want to connect, just make here connect line. And you connect this way. And you want to check angle, dimension go and select here angular. Just you can select here angle. That is 90 degree. Start in direction. That is manual coming. You will start, you give end. This side making or this side making. This side you want to just go and click. Start in radius. Okay. If you give here start, if you give here end. So between 2 points, which one are making that radius how much need? So you can type here 50, 500, everything, anything you can type. Okay. So we possibility have that if you this and this point distance 1000 hai, and we type here 500 radius. So that is not possible. Okay. Start in radius. Now here opposite coming. Start center in. Now here center start in. Means if you want to use center starting, so you give here first midpoint and give a start and go here end give. Last three option opposite coming this one. Here start give first. Here center give first. Now here center start angle. So first I give here center midpoint. Here give start and here give end. Okay, this way. Center start length same opposite this one coming. Now continuous. If you have made one arc and you want to continue this arc, so just you continue click. So that means tangency are created. Again continue, so again tangency are created. Again continue. This way we can use. So arc and polygon confirm. Next option I explain H, gradient and boundary. This one explain na last video. Okay. First we discuss break, blend curve. Blend curve already it is. Break, break at point, and three command explain first. So here I have one line. This line, if you select, so here see single line have. This line I want to delete here to here. Okay. So if cross object no have, so you can unclick center between some part. Okay. So if you want to let type break, so we go here modify and select here break command. Otherwise shortcut have BR. So just press BR enter. Now select object. Now I want to decide give the first point here and second point here. So just press F enter. Now give the start point here and give the end point here. So this way we can break. If you want to again join, so again J press and this one select and this way can connect it. Now this is single line here. I want to divide in two parts this line. Not break, only divide. So we use here break at point option. Okay, shortcut no have, so you can type a full name break at point. Shortcut showing means this is shortcut have. Okay, that is down showing a break at point, that's shortcut. So just select break at point, select line, and which location you want to break point to, just pick there. That means there is single line, that is different line. If you want to again join, so again J press, again can select it in this one. Now next option explain lengthen. Lengthen. So I make here 50 line, and that one make zoom. Okay. Lengthen command explain. So in this lengthen, what properties have first understand. Suppose you have one line and somebody say this line increase 10 this side and 20 otherwise 10 this side. Okay. So this way we can use lengthen. Another, suppose one line have and that length is something have 5.669 in digit have, and somebody say this length increase 5%. So if 5.568 like this value here, so percentage why you calculate 5%, how much coming, after that you make line. Okay, so this is typical process. Another is line length, what have I don't know, but I told you make 100 line. Okay, so that means we use a lengthen. In three situations we can use lengthen option. Means if we know how much increase, if we know percentage wise how much decrease and increase, and if we know total value. So these three situations, we can use lengthen option. So shortcut have L, E, and enter. When you select L, E, and enter, downside you see four option visible: delta, percent, total, and dynamic. So if we know how much increase, 10 this side, 10 this side, so that value I know how much increase. In this situation, we use delta option. So delta option purpose, we press DE enter and type you value how much increase. Suppose you type 10 and enter. One time value give means that command activated. When you cursor hold this side, so line length increase this side 10 When you cursor hold this side, so line length increase this side. So which side you want to increase? That side just cursor take and one time left click. That means 10 increase. If you want to increase 10, so again click. Okay, again increase, so again click. So here I have create click 3 times. And you want to exit command, so press escape. So you check here again dimension. How much coming? So that is 80 coming. Okay. 3 times selection means 3 time increase. So you understand how much increase that value put, how times increase, how many times click. Now next option, percentage understand. So this is 100 line. 100 line means percentage is 100. Okay. So if you want to increase, so increase means we have to put value 100 plus x, means 100%. If you make any line, so that is completely 100% है. We want to increase or decrease, so we put value 100 plus x and or 100 minus x. So if you want to increase, 20% increase, so percentage value type 100 plus 20 means 120 type. If you want to 30% decrease, so you have to put value 100 minus 30 means 70%. Okay. Now here we have two lines. Here we understand. So L, E, N, enter. Now I want to increase percentage wise. Okay. So percentage means we can press P. Now I want to increase length. Means 100, 15% I want to increase. This 100 line, 15% increase. So 100 multiply 15%, how much coming? Only 15 coming. So okay, we have to type percentage value 115 and press enter. Now you select here. Okay, so that total length 15% increase. If you again click, if you again click means this time 100 plus 15% he add, and that calculation to after that increase 15%. Okay, so if you want to percentage use, so you have to carefully one time click. So if you want to second value also, so 115 multiplied 15%, how much coming? Okay, so this way going. So L, E and enter just for dimension. So real I and dimension check. 132. This 132 how to coming? So control control plus 8 press, that get better coming use here. 100 multiply 15% is equal to divided by 100. So how much coming? 15. So first increase 15% is 15 coming. Next time again I select. So next time value how much coming? 115 multiply 15% is equal to divide by 100. So next time he increase 17.25. Okay. Now 17.25, if after the slope, after this does not win means value, if 5 have 5 or 6 have, so that one include one, give here 1 8 we can type. If value 5 to value have, so we can directly type 17. Okay, so 115 plus 17, that is 132 coming. If you go d enter, then here you go modify and you select here digit two numbers, so you see actual result. Okay, that means 13332.25. So percentage understand. Now total understand. Suppose here we have three lines. Okay, this is one line, and that is third line, that is third line. I want to make three lines 75 mm. Okay, these three lines I want to make is 75 lines, 75 length. So just press L E N enter and type here total value. So we press T enter. Now the total value how much need? 80, 90, 100, what you need. Suppose you want to 100 mm, all three lines 100 mm coming. So you type 100. So when you type 100, total value just select it. So if line 100 mm value has, so that one increase and last result 100 coming. If line 100 mm above has, so that one decrease and last result 100 coming. This way. So at the end of, you total value find 100 mm. Okay. So this option very not useful, but if you if you understand these options, so you can use in project. Now last option in dynamic है, that is manual है. Just make random. So LEN enter. Now type dynamic purpose, we type dy. So when time dy press, if you select any line, so line automatic extend or trim this way. So which that is cursor going. So which location you want to fix, just let go and click. If you want to here fix, just click. Again he going with cursor. I want to here fix, so just click. Select and just click here. Select and just click here. Okay, this way we can modify. Select and just click here. Select and just click here. This way. So this way you want to use dynamic, so you can use this one. This one goes, so here go. This one go, and we make here. This one go here attach. This one go here attach. Means this, with the help of this option, you can extend, you can increase length, or you can decrease length. Okay, so this option if you like, so you can use this one dynamic option. These four property have is lengthen command. Understand? Okay, here I explain delete duplicate object. So here one circle making 50. Again center, same center I use, that is 50. Okay, again I color changed, center, again same center, same radius 50. Again I color change here, this one use center and center give that one type 50. You see here, I have made 4 circle. Means one object overlap, two overlap, two overlap. Okay. So I want to delete overlap object and I want to keep only single object. Okay. So with this option, delete duplicate object options, we can finish over object. Okay, overlap object we can finish in one time. So what we do? Just you can go modify, select this option. Otherwise, you can shortcut use overkill. So overkill OVER KILL. So you can type here OVER, just enter, and you select all object which area overlap object have. So drawing making time you cannot understand where overlap hai, where no overlap hai. So if you want to finish, so just one time this option use. Select and press enter. Now here this type option coming. If you want to increase something, so color which is color have, that is no delete. Okay, so everything here ignore it. Okay, I want to clean up and only need to one single object. So just press OK. So here see only just one object coming here. And if you select and delete this one, you see here not delete. Okay, OVER enter, select all object enter. So if multiple color have, so you check this one. Just press enter. What you will do? Okay. So you different color has color option you check. So top object no delete and others delete. Hello. Hello. Understand all? Okay. Next option explain here H gradient. These two options. I think this one explained last video, na? Okay. So again explain. H means I want to make here some pattern. I want to show cut section. Otherwise, I want to show green land. Okay, you want to show floor. So with this type, if you want to something so use here H option. So that has option shortcut I have H. So just press H enter. So when you press H enter, so these dialogs box open. And here I have boundaries. So if you have close boundary means that is already closed here. So we select here pick point. And with pick point option, just you have to click inside boundary any places. So we can click here, no anybody, any places can just click. So when you click that pattern apply. After click, we go here and we can see here multiple style have multiple patterns have. So which pattern you want, just you can select any pattern. When you select pattern, that pattern is scale factor too much low hai. So scale factor we manage here. So if you change here scale factor, that means quantity increase decrease this way. Okay. Now see that brick is horizontal coming. This pattern design this way. I want to change angle direction. So you change here angle this way. If you want to change here, see full color magenta color is full color flag. I want to something dull finish. So you can use here transparency. So this way means magenta color dull coming. Okay. Next, if you want to change color, so go here and just select color, different color. If you want to background, back side, you want something color fill, different color. So you can use here background color this way. Okay. This color you want to change, so you can change. So background color you don't want, so just here go and done. So after apply, you can here change again modification, this pattern, this pattern, this pattern. So you can change any pattern. Concrete, this one for concrete. Okay. So after just finish here. So finish means you can press escape. Otherwise you can click here close hatch creation. I make here rectangle again. That is the golden form. Okay. So this is connected here. I want to fill here hatch. So just you press H enter Again select any pattern, just select here, and we can use here Excel factor 50. So this way coming, angle we can change here 0. So 0 means that is coming 45. Okay. Again scale factor change. Now you see associate have. That means this has pattern associate have this line. So in this situation just press OK. So what is associate function? Just select this figure and drag this way. So you see, when I drag this line, when I stretch this line, automatic pattern also extend. If you drag here, so pattern also stretch. This is the associate options. So if you don't want to attach, you want to just type these lines, pattern no increase. So in this situation, you have to use associate finish. So just select this pattern, and in this situation, you just deactivate this one. When you apply pattern selected, automatically this dialog box open. Okay. Now just you go and change here this option, deselect this option, and finish. When I select this line and drag, you see pattern not increase. If you want to increase, just click and this way go and drag. Just click and go and drag. So this is associate and unassociate. So which way you want to like, just you can choose option. Now next is so here pattern running. So if you want to make here solid color, means if you want to put here color in it, so you use here gradient option. So gradient purpose we can press GD enter. So you can put H also, okay. So gradient and H,
Sir,
that is same option है but shortcut different है, but using method same
sure,
है.
sir.
So just GD enter. So when you GD interface here all options same coming, but only here I have H means pattern. If you select gradient, so gradient activated. Now in this situation see, this is some gradient pattern है, this is color is gradient pattern. So which one? So here see blue color inside है vertically and other color is downside. Second color here see center है, other blue color outside है. So first color is outer, second color is center. So this is first color outside, second color this way. So this is one pattern है. So which pattern you want to like, just select and apply here first pattern. You see here blue color in center है. If you don't want center coming, so you uncheck this one. So that means he shifted. Okay. If you click here, so that is center coming. Now color if you want to change, so you can put here different color. If you want to same, so you apply both same color. That means single color we can find. Okay. If you want to single color inside here, so use here solid option. Solid means we can use only single color. That is solid option. But if you want to gradient type, so use here gradient option. So we can put here two colors variation. That is associative. If you increase this length, so pattern also increase. Okay. Now your angle है, so this angle you can change. Suppose this color change. So this angle means that color is rotate this way. And after last you can place here. That's means. Okay. Now I explain last option here है boundary. That is very useful command. You see here this type diagram है. You want to calculate this area how much है, this area how much है, this area how much है, and this area how much है. Okay. So how to easy calculate? So this means you copy and paste or delete and just one keep this one, copy and paste or keep this one, so this one keep other delete. So this is simple process hai. You don't know boundary option. Okay. So boundary option what doing? Boundary option just follow this boundary and same object create here top side duplicate object, and that is coming in polyline form. Okay. So before teaching boundary, one option more explain region. So that is reg enter. So what is region form? Just make here one line this way, and just here connected. That is fully closed boundary here. Other is this way, and this way. That is the not closed. Closed object है, but that is extend. So that is we can not call closed object. Okay. So region form, if you select reg enter and select this object and press enter, you see that is region form generated, and we go here if model change means we can go here elastic, so this is here surface coming. So region is surface generated, and if you create here polyline, so this is only boundary connected. Okay, so if interviewer asking what is region and polyline, what is difference between region and polyline? So polyline is boundary connected, okay, and region form is surface generated inside surface. You see here when you select polyline, end point, midpoint, and end point, one line, 3 point coming, three vertex coming. But if you select here region form, so you select here only end point hai. Okay, if you convert this one region form reg enter, and you select this one and press enter, so it is not connected until you delete two lines, that is cannot connect in region form. Okay, so just print this one and this one, reg enter, just select and enter. You see region form generated, that is polyline form, that is region form. So with the boundary command, we can convert, we can create this type object, polyline object, otherwise this type object, region form object. Okay, only create a boundary copy. So this is one connect close boundary making. So here we can create same object as polyline form as a region form. So we create here two copy and we see same result but different. So boundary option है V O U enter. Now you see pick form, pick points. Okay, so select pick points. Before click pick points, V O U enter. You see here two options है object type. One is polyline, one is region. So first you want to region form, so just select region form. After that, pick points. So pick point means if you click here, you see one object generated. It won't be copy. If you want to save here again generate, just click here also. If you want to create here also, just click here. If you want to create here also, just click here. So how many places close boundary here? Just you click means object created. At the last you can press escape. Okay, we press enter, not escape. So VOU enter, just select region form and just click here pick point. So first, second, third, and that is last, and press enter. You see a four region form generated ahead. So you select here move command, just select move command selected, select this surface and just move. Select move command, select this surface, just move. Select this surface, move. Select this surface and we move. You see here with the boundary command we have created separate four surface. Okay, four surface we have created. My original object same keeping. Same here if you want to polyline form, so VOU enter, just go here polyline selected and pick point. First, second, third, and close and enter. Just move selected. So here delete. Okay. So just select and drag here. If this line downside object I want to select, but here overlap coming, so just select this line and here we can change reverse. Okay, that option here I have. That one explain next day. Bring to front, send to back, send to back, send. Now we can select here polyline form only. Otherwise you can delete and just copy this one. Move. Okay, send to back, send to back. If command using but option not coming, just press RE enter, regenerate. Just delete and move. You see separate four boundaries we can make with boundary command. This boundary command here no use. So if you want to create 3D model, that time we use this command. So before boundary, before polyline and before region form, we cannot create in solid parts. Okay. So when I teach AutoCAD 3D, that time we explain this time again command is boundary and region form. So remember what is difference between polyline and region. So region only end point coming. Okay, that is surface making. And boundary polyline is only boundary making, surface no making. So boundary making means here end mid something coming, and here only surface and end coming. Okay.